Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. In this video, we will delve into the world of side hustles and provide you with the tools and strategies you need to turn your passion into a successful and fulfilling part-time business. First, let's define what a side hustle is. A side hustle is a part-time business that you can start and run in addition to your full-time job. It can be something you do for extra income, to pursue your passions, or to test out a new business idea before committing to it full-time. Now that we have a clear understanding of what a side hustle is, let's dive into the steps you can take to succeed with your own. 1. Identify your passions and skills. The first step to succeeding with your side hustle is to identify what you are passionate about and what skills you have to offer. This could be something you have always been interested in or something you have experience in from your career or hobbies. Think about what makes you excited and what you would enjoy doing on a regular basis. 2. Research the market. Once you have identified your passions and skills, it's time to research the market to see if there is demand for what you have to offer. Look into what similar businesses are offering and how they are pricing their services. Consider the competition and see how you can differentiate yourself from others in the market. 3. Create a business plan. Now that you have a clear understanding of your passions and skills and the demand in the market, it's time to create a comprehensive business plan for your side hustle. This should include a detailed description of your business, your target market, your pricing strategy, and your marketing plan. Your business plan should also outline your short-term and long-term goals, as well as a financial plan that includes projected expenses and revenues. 4. Build a strong foundation. Before you dive into your side hustle, it's important to build a strong foundation. This includes setting up a system for managing your finances, organizing your business, and creating a support network of friends, family, and professionals who can help you along the way. 5. Start small and test the waters. It's important to start small and test the waters before fully committing to your side hustle. This will allow you to make any necessary adjustments and fine-tune your business plan before investing too much time and money. 6. Take advantage of online resources. There are many online resources available to help you start and grow your side hustle. Take advantage of social media platforms to promote your business and connect with potential clients. Consider setting up a website or using online marketplaces to showcase your services. 7. Stay consistent and focused. Starting a side hustle can be a lot of work, but it can also be extremely rewarding. Stay consistent and focused on your goals and don't be afraid to seek out help and support when you need it. 8. Enjoy the journey. Starting a side hustle can be a challenging but rewarding journey. Remember to enjoy the process and have fun with it. Don't be afraid to try new things and take risks. We hope this video has provided you with the tools and strategies you need to succeed with your side hustle. Turn your passions and skills into a successful and fulfilling part-time business and enjoy the journey along the way. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.